Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu home, only way. Start by brewing strong espresso and cooling it to room temperature before assembly. Separate eggs and whisk yolks with sugar until pale and ribboned, then gently fold in mascarpone for a silky cream. Briefly dip ladyfingers in espresso, layer with cream, and finish with cocoa. Chill for several hours so textures firm and flavors blend into a classic, creamy tiramisu. Combine measured ingredients on the counter so assembly moves smoothly. Keep eggs and mascarpone chilled until needed to maintain structure. Make espresso ahead and let it cool, or use cold brew for convenience. Sweeten the yolks carefully and fold mascarpone with gentle motions to avoid deflating the cream. Arrange dipped ladyfingers quickly to prevent sogginess, then spread even layers. A final dust of cocoa adds aroma and classic appearance. Work on a chilled tray and move deliberately during assembly to keep textures controlled. Quickly dip ladyfingers one at a time so they absorb espresso without turning mushy. Build 2 or 3 neat layers, smoothing cream with a spatula and repairing gaps to prevent air pockets. Cover tightly and refrigerate so the dessert sets and flavors harmonize. Patience here rewards you with a creamy, stable tiramisu ready to slice and serve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.